Okay class, let's start how to make Google form. First, for that you need to search Google Forms on Google. When you will search, you are going to have this first link, Google Forms free online surveys. Click on this link. When you will click on this link, you are going to have two options to choose as a personal account and as a business workplace. Go and click on this button, go to Google Forms. After clicking on this button, you are going to have a new page in which you are going to have sample templates to make different forms. For this, first what you will do, you will click on a new blank sheet. Click on this sheet and you are going to have a new form to make. In this form there are several sections. First is the heading, the title which you want to give to your Google form. Then you have your question box. In this question box we have several parts. First is the part where we will type the question. Next is this part. Here this part is to select what kind of answer you want. You want your answer in the form of multiple choice, or in the form of short answer, or in the form of paragraph, or in the form of checkbox. You can select any option. Select the option short answer if you are taking in an interview of any person. Okay, as I am selecting here short answer, this is how we will receive the short answers. And one more section is here, required. This button is to make the question compulsory to answer. Now let me do some editing in this Google form. I'm giving the heading interview to this Google form, and my first question as usual will be first name. Okay, after that if you want to increase one more question box, if you want to increase your question, go on this button plus sign, you can see over here. Click on this button, you are going to have your new question. See, this is how you will have one more box. Again, when you will click on this plus button, you are going to have several other questions. Now here you can write your first question, whatever question you want to ask in interview. For example, why did you become a teacher? Question mark. Now I want my answer in short answer, so I will click here and I will select the option short answer. I will make the question compulsory, and now I will move on to the next question. I have clicked on this button, this plus sign, and I have selected one more question box to make my other questions. Like this you can make as many questions you want. After completing the form, what you will do to send the form, click on this button on the top section, send. Here when you will click on send, you will have a new dialog box, and in this box select this middle icon. From here you can select the link of the form, make the link short. Then you have this icon over here, copy. Just click on this icon, this link will get copy, and now you can paste this icon anywhere you want. You can go to any, okay, for example if I am going to this group, I will paste over here this icon, and this icon will get pasted, and if I will send it, it will be a link for our interview form. Okay, it will be a link that you can send. So this is how you will make and send this interview to any number, to anyone. After this, when you will complete the form, when you will get the entries, when you will again open the form, you will hear one, you have one option over here, responses. When you will click on the responses, here it is showing waiting for responses because no one has sent answer to this. On in this response icon you can go to responses, and then you will here have one more icon, individual. If you will click on the individual icon, then you can find the responses of each individual. Complete your form, send it to your teachers and see the responses given by them. Okay, thank you.